A diagnosis of lung cancer can have a devastating effect on your life and the lives of those you love. After the initial shock is worn off, your emotions may run the gamut between sadness and anger, confusion, a sense of loss, fear, and a feeling very alone. Your family members and friends may feel helpless, anxious about the future, and wonder if they'll ever have the real you back again. While most of the treatment you receive will center on your physical symptoms and overall health, another important aspect of treating lung cancer is finding social and emotional support. Having a support system in place helps patients cope with uncertainty about the future, anxiety about treatment and its side effects, and fears about death. Research has shown that psychologically adapting and adjusting to your disease is vital in enhancing quality of life and prolonging survival. There are many sources of information and support available to lung cancer patients. Tapping into some of these resources will help you find those which are beneficial and meet your individual needs. Getting involved with a support network may help you feel less alone in your struggle, while providing information that will help you make informed decisions about your treatment options and assist you in coping with the physical and emotional challenges lung cancer brings. You might be considering one-on-one support through a psychiatrist or counselor, but another option is a support group. Support groups generally take two forms. You may find one that you can attend in person, or you may feel more comfortable joining an online group through the internet. Support groups can be specific to a disease such as lung cancer, or may be for persons with any type of serious or terminal condition. The group may welcome families and friends, or it may be a group focusing only on patient concerns. No matter which type of group format you prefer, however, the goals of each are the same. Support groups provide a confidential atmosphere where you can talk about the challenges you are facing and get information from other people who are experiencing the same thing. Sharing your emotions and experiences with other lung cancer patients can help you relieve the stress, anxiety, and depression you might be feeling. In addition, many support groups offer access to the most up-to-date information regarding new and available treatments and are a great base of knowledge concerning your disease. How do you choose a support group that is right for you? Your physician or healthcare team may have some suggestions or refer you to a group affiliated with a hospital or cancer organization, such as the American Cancer Society. You can also find groups by doing research on the internet through websites like the Association for Cancer Online Resources. You may decide that you prefer a local group that holds regularly scheduled meetings. One advantage of this type of group is that you are able to have face-to-face discussions with people that live in your area and share the resources your community has to offer. Generally, this type of support group will somewhat be structured and is usually moderated by a health professional, such as an oncology nurse, psychologist, or social worker. Because your local group may be associated with a hospital or other health facility, you may also be utilizing social services or cancer support departments through those entities, such as a phone buddy list or hotline. Often, group members and their families form lasting friendships with others in their support group. Some disadvantages of local groups are that it may be small in size and location. Time and days of meetings may not always be convenient for you. Additionally, some people find it difficult to talk about upsetting or difficult subjects in person and with people they may not know well. Some patients prefer online support groups, as they may be uncomfortable with losing their anonymity or may not feel physically able to attend meetings as often as they would like. One benefit of an online group is that you will be part of a national or even global community whose members have a wealth of experience. While there may be set chat times for the group, usually you can access the group and find members online at any time of the day or night. Online groups, however, may not be facilitated, which often lends a more casual, loose feeling to the experience, in contrast to the structure of a local support group. You'll also need to have access to a computer and some competence with the internet to get the full benefit of an online group. Perhaps you feel overwhelmed by your diagnosis and treatment schedule and wonder if a support group is really something that can help you. One advantage of joining a support group is that you can often get information there that you might not easily find elsewhere. For example, other support group members may be able to tell you where to apply for financial assistance with your medical bills, or can share practical advice on managing chemotherapy side effects or returning to your job after treatment. Some of the things you might be embarrassed to talk about with your family or friends can be freely discussed in your support group, since group members truly understand exactly what you are going through. Even if you are the type of person that generally feels you are well able to cope with whatever life throws your way, utilizing the services of a support group offers as a positive step you can take to manage the emotional and social aspects of your cancer treatment. In fact, studies have shown that patients participating in support groups have less depression and anxiety, maintain and strengthen their marital and family relationships, and improve their prognosis and quality of life. Thank you for watching. This video was produced by Asbestos.net, a leading resource on all aspects of asbestos and mesothelioma. Our priority is to inform victims about the devastating effects of asbestos exposure, mesothelioma, asbestos cancer, asbestosis, and other asbestos-related diseases, and to advise them with a wealth of information. Individuals whose lives have been touched by mesothelioma have numerous questions and concerns. Their caregivers and family members also need accurate, reliable information. If you or a loved one have been diagnosed with mesothelioma or asbestos cancer and need more information, we invite you to visit and explore the thousands of pages of oncologist-reviewed material on Asbestos.net, to call our convenient toll-free number shown below and speak with a mesothelioma specialist, or to use the simple contact form found at Asbestos.net to request a free copy of our informative books, custom inserts, and DVD. Asbestos.net. Information and help for patients and families.